Alright guys, I got a new box in the mail. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Why not? I got it from Royal Tiger Imports. Now, if you've been following my videos, you know that I was really impressed with a particular gun recently. So, I just had to get another. I was so impressed with the performance that I just had to do it. It's double boxed. They're good like that. Let's see. Nope. Alright, so we're going to have to do some surgery here. Yeah. Let's see if we can get into this thing. Always good to have a sharp knife, right guys? Yeah, I spoke too soon, right? At least it's really tough tape. So, what I did was, I got an email from Royal Tiger Imports and they were like, hey, there's a deal, $189. And we'll handpick a nice, very good to very good quality Carcano. Yes, it's a Carcano. The M91 again. Because I'm thinking, guys, the Carcano is going to be the next Mosin Nagant. What in the world? Nice. What is this? Way cool. I can put my little Celtic P32 in there. Nice. It comes with a little chamber flag, RTI pen, and an RTI sticker. Cool. Put it up there. This is nice. Look at that. Huh. What is that? IO ink? Whatever it is, it's cool. And here it is. I'm going to leave the paperwork so you guys can't see any personal information. And we're going to ditch the box. Now I'm hoping this is in good condition. I paid extra. Now you can get one right now for $129, but it's gunsmith special kind of thing. I didn't want that. Oh, look at this. This is the free clip that they... Nice. I always wanted one of these. This is actually the reproduction one, and these guys here are the actual original, surprisingly enough. I didn't know that. You'd think the steel one is, but those are brass, and this is steel. So cool. Now, I was supposed to get two. I ordered two. They didn't give it to me. That sucks. I knew that was going to happen. I had a feeling. I ordered an extra one. So, let's look at the gun. We'll deal with that later. Look at that. Nice and rusted. And they're saying this is in good condition, huh? Let's check if the chamber's clear. Yeah, it's clear. Well, I guess that sucks. Wow. Well, is it in good condition? I don't know. It's not bad. Let's check the bore out. That's completely... Oh, no. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll try to zoom in there. You probably can't. Anyway, the bore, take my word for it, the bores are actually really nice. Now the button on here, completely loose. There's no spring to it anymore. That sucks. So this is actually not as good. It's not as good as the one that I originally got from them. Let's see. Let's push the button and see if this thing actually works or not. Now, I could probably fix the rust on there. That's not a problem. The stock is in really good condition. I gotta say, the stock is pretty nice. And the barrel's nice. This kind of sucks. But I can always get another end plate for that. Nice. Now, for the real trick. Oh, that's weird. X194 XIX. It's a Brescia. Huh. XIX. That is odd. So I'm assuming this is a 1941 Carcano. Everything looks to be original on it. There's no serial numbers on the bolt. I'm going to have to take their word for it. But not bad. Bluing is pretty nice on the barrel. I gotta say, I'm semi-impressed. Then again, you know, these types of gun guys, these guns, you have to understand that a little work needs to go into them to make them just right. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. The stock is actually really nice. The wood's nice. I could definitely either replace this bayonet, or I could just keep it as is. The bluing on the barrel and the barrel rifling is perfect. This can be replaced if I really have a problem with it, but the little leather there or whatever, the button is still fine. The bolt seems okay. Let's see if it still works. There's minimal cosmoline on the thing, which is nice. I can't stand cleaning cosmoline. Perfect. I'm happy. I'm happy for $189. But the only thing I'm disappointed in is they didn't give me my extra stripper clip. That kind of sucks. So I'm going to have to contact them and let them know. But other than that, we're good to go, guys. I'm pretty happy with this whole thing. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I'm going to fix this thing up and make it pretty. And you guys will see when it's all done. Thanks for watching. The DMCT guy with Shooting Shit TV.